Good morning mga palangga. It's rainy morning today. Tingnan niyo, umaambon. Yan. Tingnan niyo yung mga kahoy. It's autumn na talaga kasi nalalagas na yung mga dahon. I like autumn. Pero hindi ganitong autumn. Ang gusto kong autumn is walang ulan. Maiintindihan niyo kung kayo nasa UK. Palagi na lang umuulan. Most of the time, umuulan talaga. Kaya kung pupunta ka dito sa UK, pagdala ka ng payong. Joke lang, oy. I need to do the dishwasher. Meron pang delivery. So, I'm just waiting na umalis yung delivery. Then, that's our green light. Ito, oh. Yan. Hindi siya nagfo-focus mga palangga. Dahil sa ulan. Basta, doon. Diyan. Hello! Pipa! What's in your mouth? Come on now, Pipa. Come on now. We need to get started. Time here is 10:15 in the morning. So, hopefully, we can finish one trailer. Sabi kasi ni Jenna, we have 2 trailers to be put. So, yeah. There it is.
A few moments later. A few inches later. 2 hours later. 1 eternity later.
That's it. 1 down and 1 to go. Magla-lunch muna kami. Yung girls, they already have their lunch. Busog na sila. Malamig sa labas. Kaya ako sinisipon. So, ito yung lunch ko. Kiwi, sandwiches, at nanonood ako ng TV. Then, balik tayo ulit sa workshop. Almost Halloween na. So, I hope madaming horror movie. I like horror movie. Minsan natatakot ako. Pero I still watch horror movie. Alone kasi ayaw kasi ni Jen manood ng horror movie.
The next day.
Good. Oh, the sunshine. Good afternoon. Good afternoon mga palangga. So, we had our tea. So, ngayon magluluto tayo ng pancake for our pudding. Not a pancake, a crepe. Kasi hindi naman to talaga fluffy pancake. So, I think this is a crepe recipe yung finalo ko. Well, crepe and pancake is very similar. So, yeah. So, ito na yung mixture ko. Yan. Magkuha lang ako ng kawali. So, hinihintay ko na lang yung kawali na uminit. Yeah, I think it's hot now, Han.
Do a little tester, just to put a little bit on it.
Just a little tester? No. It's not hot. There you go. Ito yung pancake natin. 6 crepe yung nagawa ko mga palangga. So, tagtatatlo kami ni Mr. Kakainin ko na yung akin. Yan. Si Mr. nandoon, oh. Yan, nandoon. Sobrang busy niya kasi he's washing the Polaris. Kasi yung Polaris kasi ngayon, it was out this morning and nung pinick up niya sobrang dumi kasi sobrang maulan kanina. So ayun, needs washing. Ito na yung pancake ko. So ito yung gagawin ko sa pancake, sa crepe. Lemon juice. Yan. At kaunting sugar. First bite. Sarap. Yung lemon at pancake, it really goes well together. Mr. is having his pancake with
This is why
ice cream.
people say I'm getting fat. This is why, because little me here keeps making things like this.
No!
The next day.
Good afternoon! Good afternoon mga palangga. So, pupunta tayo sa post office. Then, pupunta din tayo sa Tesco at Aldi. Mag-grocery kami ngayon. It is not weekend. Mag-grocery kami kasi kailangan ni Jan ng bread at aalis siya ngayong Saturday. May shooting siya. So, he need some bread and things that he want for shooting. Nandoon pa siya sa kitchen. May kausap. Malamig ngayon ay. I could say na I am getting used to the weather. Charot, getting used to the weather. Hindi naman, but you know, the more I spend here or the longer I live here in UK, parang yung body ko nai-immune na siya sa lamig. Nilalamig pa din ako, of course, pero basta parang maiintindihan niyo yung sinabi ko pag nandito kayo kasi noon talaga nung pagdating ko dito sa UK, oh my, kahit sa loob ng bahay 25 degrees hindi pa din ako kontento, nilalamig pa din ako. But ngayon kahit 11 degrees nafe-feel ko na ay ano pala, it's warm, ganyan. Pero yeah, I could see improvements. Tagal naman ni Mr. Uy. We need bag. Right. It's open. Thank you. Yung shirt pala na binigay ko kay Mr. nung anniversary namin, he returned the shirts. And I'm still asking him
I haven't had time to look. I've been so busy looking after you, darling.
You don't need to look after me.
Oh, I do.
I always look after
I'm
you.
her protector
For what?
for everything.
For everything.
I need to cut the grass when we come.
So if there's a burglary in our house, you're gonna
Send you down to sort them out.
really. Here we are, Tesco.
Mia's favourite place.
Haha.
What do you mean? No, no.
It's not as busy today.
Huh?
No, I don't think so. It's busy.
You don't.
So, nandito na kami sa Tesco. After sa Tesco na lang, dadaan kami sa post office. No, I really enjoy having green beans and pork belly. I want 2-pack for this because I really did enjoy that pork belly with green beans. I'll get this one. We need carrots as well. We go this side because it's cheaper. Reduce to clear. Meron sila mga pork belly. I think we'll get this one. We'll get this one. For my green beans. Look at your face. Chicken wings? Where are you, chicken wings?
Thighs, legs, breasts. That's it. Come on, there.
Oh yeah, there's none. Ang cute nito, oh. Hello, sir.
Hey. How often do you come? I come here at least once a week.
Really?
Yeah.
We need stick mince. Kasi plano ko kasing mag-bolognese kami. Bolognese. Not bolognese. Bolognese.
Bollocks.
Naalala ko, di ba?
I've got
Kasi
loads.
meron kaming yung sweet Filipino style na spaghetti sauce. So, kailangan siyang so, we need to use them.
Thought you got all that, that's £6.
It's very cautious on the price today because I'm because he's paying today. Because I think my card
Toffee crisp is not here.
because I think my card did not have enough money. It's not payday yet.
You can go online and check.
No.
Yeah.
It's your turn to pay today.
I paid last time and the time before.
No, don't give me that.
No, I'm giving you that
No.
because I did. I quite clearly remember.
Nung pumunta kami sa post office, bumili kami ng firelighters. Kasi paubos na yung firelighters namin. At ito yung grocery namin. The usuals. We need to change. Wala pa naman akong socks, eh. John needs help. Kasi yung mower na stuck daw. Honey, where are you? In the front garden? In where? There?
Driver.
Is it a bad problem? We have this thing again. Remember when we are in our paddock? We're stuck. Oh dear. So what do you want me to do? And move backwards? The little one? Hang on, I'm not ready. Oh dear. What a disaster. Ito, oh. Ito yung damage sa mower. There he goes. Knock knock. No one's home. Pinapalagay ni Mr. lahat yung kamatis dito, mga palangga. pwede ilagay. Sabi niya eh. Pero sabi niya na kailangan ko daw tanggalan ng ganito. Tanggalan ko daw siya nito. Yan. Kasi sabi niya pag meron daw ganito, ito nalalanta to at it makes the kamatis na malalanta din siya, mabubulok siya. Yun yung sabi niya. So, I'm just going to what he say. It's better really na don't argue. Ah, dear. Para walang away ba? Nako, 3 o'clock na dito mga palangga ay ang bilis ng oras. Hindi pa ako tapos assignment ko. Yun na lahat yung NVQ ko. That's my last assignment. So, yun. At I will meet my assessor ngayong 21st, ngayong Monday, to have a professional discussion again. And yun na. Tingnan natin kung ano niya sasabihin. I think we just need to sign everything off. And after that, start my access course for nursing. Another studying to do. Never ending mga palangga. Oy, pero kung porsigido ka talaga sa mga pangarap mo, it's never too late to get yourself better. Kasi wala namang masama sa pagiging caregiver. Pero yun nga, kung caregiver ka, ano talaga, oy, mahirap talaga ang caregiver. At I'm not gonna be always like this. I will not be forever young. The more natatanda ako, the more na ang pagiging caregiver na mas mahirap talaga. So, yeah, I'm just trying to get my dreams because I always wanted to become a midwife. But now, I'm sort of like, I don't know. I'm still like 50-50 with my decision. Now, I want to be an adult nurse. But my heart says, you need to be a midwife. It's like, I don't know, oy. I don't know. You know, well, the thing is, if later on I don't want or I don't like my position as an adult nurse, I can train to become a midwife. But then that's another training to do, isn't it? I don't know. Let's say near the time. My target is I want to try to apply in the university 2021 or 2022. So we'll soon be there. I know if you think, oh, ang layo pa, pero soon we'll be there. So I'm just trying to build my credits, all my qualification, and once I have enough qualification, then I am ready. Good luck to me. I will look back all this vlog na, ay, ganito yung mga struggle ko, ganito ako noon, mga ganon. Nakakatuwa. Kaya, I really treasure this YouTube na pag-vlog ko. Kasi, nado-document ko lahat yung mga pangyayari sa mga buhay-buhay. So, yeah. I need to wash this. Amoy siya pagkain. Si Mr. Busy pa din siya sa kakakat ng grass. I'm so hungry. Nag-lunch naman ako, pero obviously this past few days kasi malalaking portion kasi yung kinakain ko. So yung tiyan ko, pag hindi ako kumain ng marami, naghahanap din siya ng malaking amount. Kaninang lunch kasi yung kinain ko lang sandwich. At yun. Yun yan ko, nahihingi na. This past few days, nagra-rice kasi ako. Pero ayaw ko munang mag-rice. Ngayon kasi, yung hapunan natin is fish cake. Gagawa na lang ako ng cauliflower cheese and boiled carrots. Ito siya. Ito yung fish cake. Look at this. Cheese toppings. And there you go. This is our cauliflower cheese. Ito na siya mga palangga. Hihiwain ko na yung pakwan kasi itong melon na to, it's soft. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's not properly ripe. Hindi siya talaga hinog. Yung parang mangga ba na minsan yung mangga soft siya. Ito yung nangyari sa kanya, soft. Titikman natin. Hindi siya matamis. Wala lang. Parang wala. Wala siyang lasa. Sayang. Sayang eh. Napiktahan talaga siya sa frost. Kung hindi pa nag-frost, lalaki pa sana to ng konti. Well, ganito talaga yung weather sa UK. Ito talaga, itong cantaloupe natin, hindi talaga siya ideal sa weather natin dito sa UK.
Not grown enough.
Look. It's not sweet honey or anything at all.
No.
No.
No, because it's not grown enough, has it? That's why.
Try it, just a little.
Is it bad?
No, it's not bad. It's still crispy. It's not sweet.
No.
Yeah, it's a shame that.
Well, because if it'd been done sooner in the summer, what we on? Filming? You've been recording me. So naughty.
Honey? Tea is ready. Yes?
Something smells good.
Uh-huh.
Let's use that one for you.
Uh-huh. It smells so good.
What flavour have you on this steak?
Orange, please. Oh, a little bit of butter if you want butter.
Of course not.
Whew. It's very hot.
Just like me.
Cauliflower cheese.
Let it cool more.
Yung fish cake natin. This is a salmon fish cake and John doesn't like.
Well, we'll see. I might like it, you never know. I could shock myself. It's a bit cold.
He doesn't like salmon, so that's why he was unsure about the tea tonight.
I'm not a fat salmon fan, that's the problem. Need the sharp knife, the serrated knife. Oh, these look like proper jacket potatoes, these.
He liked the cod better.
Cod, oh yeah, I love cod. Yeah, whitefish I like.
So ito na yung ginagamit naming butter, hindi na flora.
This is not flora.
Yeah, this is more healthier than flora.
Olive. It's made from olives. So they tell us.
I don't think so.
I do.
Do you think so?
You can't say it's made from olives
Well,
and it's
I
not.
know.
It's not like being, you know, we tell the truth, not. Will do. Not risk it.
Hey, you need
Oh, we got some else.
we have carrots.
Oh, we have carrots. You don't want that, huh? I thought it was a bit, you know, short supply.
There you go.
Thank you.
So, kain muna kami mga loves.